Want to make Snapchat account public to private? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First of all, launch open the Snapchat app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now, you want to tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Once it opens up, you want to tap on the gear icon at the top right corner, which is going to open up your settings. Now, scroll down and you will get to the option of privacy control. Here, first of all, tap on contact me and make sure it is selected to friends only. So if it is selected on friends and contacts, make sure that you select it to friends. Next, head back. Now tap on view my story. Here as well, you want to select friends only. Then head back. Next, you want to tap on see me and find friends option. Go ahead and check this box off, then head back. Now select activity indicator. Here you want to toggle this option off. Now others cannot see if you are active on Snapchat recently. Then head back. Now select see my location. Here you want to toggle on the option of ghost mode. Go ahead and select until turned off option. Now head back. And with these settings, you have successfully turned your Snapchat account into private, and that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.